Hello, Alex here. So for this week's enhancement, we needed to create a view for your vehicles. So here's my sport vehicles. The price is in dollars. Then you can see your trucks. And then when you click on it, it gives you a little more information on the vehicle. Page is testing for no mistakes, as well as the main page. This view also doesn't have any mistakes, and the page is responsive. So you can see we have different view of the trucks, and we can see the SUVs if we want. That way. Still trying to figure out the show menu toggle, but we'll get it down. I just want to submit it today before the due date. And that's it.